If you're still relying on spreadsheets or do-it-yourself solutions for tracking and reporting on your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems and equipment, you're taking on unnecessary risk and additional expenses. Are the backbone of any construction project and are often on the critical path to project completion. Everyone on the team is invested in their status, safety, and confirmation of completion. Yet despite their importance, current methods pose challenges in tracking the completion of inspection documentation and monitoring the status of installation activities. Delays in reporting field issues to project executives and receiving confirmation of quality control checks strain valuable resources and expose teams to potential surprises and delays. It doesn't have to be this way. Facility Grid provides a better, more efficient way to track, verify, and report on MEP systems and equipment. Purpose-built to eliminate redundancy and administrative overhead, as well as to help teams optimize and scale their processes. Facility Grid provides a single source of truth for project teams on the real-time status of MEP systems and equipment. Use QR codes on-site to immediately access key equipment details, update status once while in the field, and immediately share with the team. Capture and track inspections, checklists, and sign-offs. Know what's done and not done, and see the impact to project progress. Sync real-time data with project schedules in Oracle Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, and other scheduling software, keeping everyone accountable and projects on track. Streamline and accelerate the turnover process to complete the job and get clients into their building faster. Facility Grid's operational readiness solution offers unparalleled transparency, enabling users to track the progress of MEP systems and equipment, monitor activity status to schedules, and capture documentation efficiently for turnover. Contact us today to learn more about Facility Grid and our operational readiness solution.